Hi everyone, my name is Divya and I am from Hyderabad. I joined Qspiders in the month of November 2024. Here I pursued the course on software development engineering testing. In that SQL subject taught by Revan sir and manual testing taught by Hemant sir and core Java taught by Kaushik sir. Here trainers are very friendly and they will teach the subject from the scratch. And if you have any doubts means they can clarify in the class itself. Here like they will conduct the regularly grooming sessions whenever they are added for the requirements. For me, grooming sessions will be very helpful because if they missed any topics in the class, they will cover in the grooming session. And for each and every subject, they will conduct presentations. For me, presentations helped me a lot to improve my communication skills, and they will conduct mocks for every week frequently. Those things are helped me to crack the interview, and I got